Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to name a group text on Android, step by step. If you're enjoying these helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Step 1. First, open the Messages app on your Android device. This is where all your conversations are stored. Step 2. Next, find and navigate to the group text that you want to rename. Once you're in that conversation, we can move on to the next step. Step 3. At the top of the screen, you'll see the group name. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where we'll make our changes. Step 4. Once you tap the group name, you'll see a pencil icon. Tap that pencil to edit the name. Step 5. Now you can enter your new group name in the provided text field. Make it something fun or relevant to the conversation. Step 6. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Once you've entered the new name, hit the Save button and you're done. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.